Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 9. Let's see our today's topic. Our today's topic is preposition part 2 from page number 120 to 122. Dear students, I am telling again about our topic. It is preposition part 2, page number 120 to 122. Okay, dear students, look here. This is our lecture number 5th and homework number 4th on our annual term, on our half yearly syllabus. I am telling again, this is our lecture number 5th and homework number 4th on our half yearly syllabus. Dear students, in our live class you learn preposition. That means you knew the basic discussion regarding the prepositions. And in this class or in the previous class you learn page number 118 to 119. The basic discussions on appropriate preposition. This is the second class, that means part 2. Dear students, in this connection all of you request to open your English grammar and composition book. This book, English grammar and composition book. It is page number 120. Page number 120, activity 1, we will start. So look here, as I have told you, it is page number 120 and activity 1. So look here, I think you can look at the board properly. Complete the following sentence with prepositions. Look at the title, it is complete the following sentences with prepositions. Number 1, where are you? We will use here a preposition, it is where are you from? We will write here from. Where are you from? Number 2, what are they talking dash? What are they talking about? Number 3, who are you writing this letter? I am telling again, who are you writing this letter for? Answer will be for. Number 4, which country is London the capital of? Which country is London the capital of? Here we will write of. Last, 5th number, who is this seat with? Who is this seat with? There are 5 appropriate prepositions we have learned here. Now, in D number segment it is written, if prepositions may be preceded by a noun. Okay, give focus. Preceded by a noun, adjective or verbs. Notice the following examples. I have no sympathy for her, noun. The cat is fond of milk, adjective, and he succeeded in solving his problem. Here succeeded represents the verb and after the verb there is preposition in. And fond represents adjective, after fond there is preposition of, and sympathy represents here noun, and sympathy, after sympathy the word is preposition for. Dear learners, look here, there is a basic discussion regarding the different relationship of the appropriate preposition. A preposition can express the idea of place, time, mean or any other relationship. Even a single preposition can express different relationship. Notice the following examples: above, after, before, for, from, with. Okay, these are the common prepositions here. With the word with these prepositions there are some sentences are given. That means different relationship of these prepositions are shown or are given in a sentences. So here the common prepositions are above, after, before, for, from and with. Okay, I am not going to read this, and if you open your book page number 120 and 121 you will get this. Now dear students, we will go to our next segment. This is page number 122. It is complex prepositions. So it is page number 122. It is complex preposition. That means in before we read about it is simple prepositions. Now there is a passage about complex prepositions. We will not read this directly. I am I am reading from the B number segment. Please look at the B number segment. It is here is a list of some other complex or phrasal prepositions. Complex or phrasal in mind. So look, there are list of some complex and phrasal prepositions is according to, along with, by means of, by virtue of, in the light of, owing to, for the sake of, in favor of, in spite of, in search of, then in the event of, in view of, with reference to, in addition to, in lieu of, in state of, in course of, together with an eye to, with respect. These are the complex or phrasal prepositions. Now dear learners, look at our main focus. So look here, main discussions, activity 1, and again here activity 1. Complete each of the following sentences with a complex preposition from the above list. So number 1, he could not go there, dash his illness. So look, it will be because of or owing to. He could not go there because of his illness or owing to. Here the reason is, okay, look here, owing to. He could not go there owing to, O-W-I-N-G, owing to. He could not go there owing to his illness or because of his illness. Now number 2, the crow flew here and there, dash water. It will be the crow flew here and there in search of water. In search, I am writing here in S-E-A, in search of. It is in search of, okay. I am telling it is in search of. Look here, it is written here S-E-A-R-C-H of, this one, number 2 here, okay. Here is number 1. Now number 3, dash had illness, she came to class yesterday. So look here, it will be in spite of or despite of. So look here, it will be in spite of, number 3. This one is number 3, in spite of. In spite of her illness, she came to class yesterday. Now number 4th. Please cast your vote, dash our candidate. It will be please cast your vote in favor of our candidate. Look at the word in favor. In favor, okay. This one is 4th number. Please cast your vote in favor of our candidate. Last point. Okay, look here. I earned this money, dash my normal salary. I earned this money. So look here, in addition to my normal salary. This one is the 5th number. In addition. In addition to. So look, I am telling again, I earned this money in addition to my normal salary. These are the 5 activities, 5 sentences from activity 1. I am telling again from 1 to 5. He could not go there owing to his illness. Number 2, the crow flew here and there in search of water. Number 3, in spite of her illness, she came to class yesterday. In spite of, number 3. Number 4, please cast your vote in favor of our candidate. Number 5, I earned this money in addition to my normal salary. Dear learners, look here, it is written our homework, okay. And your homework is activity 1. This will be your homework, and this one is also. So look here, page number 120, activity 1, this one. please pick up the sentence. Okay, in your SW, no, please don't write only the word, you must pick up the sentence, and in the gap you will write the appropriate answer. Then there is another part of your homework, it is activity 1, page number 122 and 23. Okay, this 5 and this 5 also. Dear students, I hope that you have understood the part 2 class regarding our appropriate prepositions. Please do your homework properly, and here I have given you the homework as in the activity 1 and another activity 1 also. So don't get confused. If you have any confused questions regarding this class, please write me in the comment box. Finally, see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.